Chicago, more than Americans are dying from COVID-19 each day, an alarming rate that has climbed by 30% in the past 2 weeks. Across the US, the coronavirus pandemic has now claimed more than lives. Yet another, simultaneous reality of the pandemic offers reason for hope. The number of new coronavirus infections is plummeting, falling by more than half since mid-January. Hospitalizations are also declining, a relief to stressed healthcare workers. All that has created a disorienting moment in the pandemic. Though deaths are still mounting, the threat from the virus is moving, for now, further into the background of daily life for many Americans. The Omicron surge has brought with it an especially potent and fast-moving wave of death across the US. The country's per capita death rate still exceeds those of other wealthy nations, a reflection of widespread resistance to vaccines in the US. During the Omicron surge, hospital admissions in the US have been higher than in Western Europe. The pace of deaths across the country has accelerated throughout the fall and winter. When the US reached deaths in mid-December, the most recent deaths had occurred in less than weeks. This time, the latest death, many from Omicron, have been reported in just over 7 weeks. That the death milestone comes more than a year after vaccines were first authorized, said Drive Leticia Gerasa, the Baltimore Health Commissioner. Federal data shows that the vast majority of deaths have been unvaccinated people. As a public health professional, it is unbelievably sad, because I think so many of the deaths were likely preventable, Gerasa said. Deaths over the last 7 weeks were reported most across the US, with especially higher rates in the Southwest. Much of the Midwest, Northeast and Southwest already were suffering large outbreaks fueled by the Delta variant in December. It is possible that many of the most recent deaths in those regions were caused by Delta. The US continues to average over new coronavirus cases a day. That is down from a day in the middle of January, but still above the peak levels seen in every previous surge. More than people with the virus are hospitalized nationwide. Adblock Test Y.